More than 2 years out from the next presidential election, a grassroots movement in Mindanao is already claiming victory for Vice President Sara Duterte. MJ Mondihar is back for more news.
Dito sa movement na ito, kahit sino dito, kahit rebelde ka pa, basta magtulong ka kay BP Inday, Sara, para presidente, welcome ka dito sa movement na ito. Kaya dito ngayon, walang pinipili ng mga tao.
That was the message of the Inday Sara 2028 movement as they conducted their Mindanao rounds to promote the candidacy of Vice President Sara Duterte. Marma Sangid, former Games and Amusements Board Commissioner, said their volunteers are rapidly increasing since the Vice President's early declaration to run for President.
Mayroon tayong mga grupo sa BARM, mayroon na sa Tawi-Tawi, sa Basilan, sa Zamboanga City, mayroon na sa Zamboanga Sibugay at saka sa Lanao Sur del Norte, marami na.
Instead of protest actions, the group is preparing now for the 2028 presidential polls. And as a show of force, the movement will hold a large gathering here in Davao City on May 9. According to Masangid, supporters from Mindanao, Visayas, and Luzon are expected to attend.
Kasi kung magkaroon tayo ng rally, walang epekto. Itong movement na ito, talagang parang recruit sa mga tao. Parang sa taas, pati sa grassroots, yun talagang natin na talagang mag-gaisa tayo.
Although the elections are still far off, the group is already declaring that the contest is over and that Duterte will be the next president of the Philippines. This comes despite the impeachment case being faced by the vice president in the Philippine House of Representatives, which political analysts see as a deliberate attempt to block her from the 2028 race.
Wala na, presidente na. Nag-antay lang tayo ng 28. Itong mga grupo, yung sa kabila, nag-antay na lang kayo ng 28 movement. Pagdating ng 28, siba talaga yun dyan. Wala lang kayong magawa dyan. Wala lang kayong... Kaya ngayon dito, kung pwede, inyong sirain at banatan si BP Inday para masira talaga. Pero wala na yan.
The movement is also banking on public anger toward the Marcos administration, framing 2028 as a revenge vote over corruption and what supporters describe as a government that refuses to listen.
Hindi lang tao nagtapo kay Marcos, kundi talagang galit na galit na. Kaya lang ayaw ni Marcos makinig. Yan talaga totoo. Galit na ang mga tao ngayon, galit na.
Despite the tension between the Duterte and Marcos camps, the group is confident that other politicians will eventually support VP Sara.
Kapag incumbent ka, mayor ka, governor ka, congressman ka, hindi ka talaga mag-declare kasi takot ka baka mawala ka ng ayuda. Pag civilian ka talaga, grassroots ka talaga, pero pagdating ng araw, makita ng mga congressman, governor na wala na silang tao, wala nang kasama, wala na, sabay na yan. Kasi si Inday, 75 to 80% sa Mindanao alone. Wala na. Puro na yan.
Reporting for Newsland World, this has been MJ Mondihar. That's for my news.